So remember that time JJ Abrams sent us a very huge package? There were a lot of things in that package, and one of them is the Shinobi SDI 4K display monitor, and today I am going to be unboxing it. Okay guys, so this is the Atomos Shinobi SDI display monitor, and yeah, the first thing you see when you open up this box is the Shinobi SDI with its beautiful and sleek screen. You understand me? Now this monitor has an HDMI port, an headphone jack, an SDI in and out port. It also has a battery slot and a power button to turn on the monitor, turn on and off. Yeah, it also has an SD card port. Yeah, so this is the monitor. And it also came with a complimentary card. A very beautiful one. Very, very beautiful one. Welcome to the Atomos family. Now this is a battery eliminator. I've never actually seen this before, but the reason they put this here, we don't know. We don't know the reason why this is here, but I know what it is for. Now there is no battery in this box, but you're going to put this on the monitor and connect it directly to electricity. Now let's get to the interesting part. Now this is something very thoughtful, because this is like the most used adapter in Nigeria, and this is the one we use mostly. But then they added three extra adapters that is going to help, or that is going to help. Yeah, it's going to help sort of, because you know in some other countries they don't actually use like this as their like major adapter and stuff. Some other countries use this, so they just put it there for like anyone you decide to use. So there's 4 extra adapters in this box. So yeah, this is everything in the box, in this Atomos Shinobi SDI box. Okay, so guys, we just unboxed the Atomos Shinobi SDI 4K display monitor, and as usual, expect a review video where we're going to be talking about this monitor and its functions in details. From me, Ronald, it's goodbye. And yes, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video to your friends, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when we are dropping a new video. Now it's goodbye. Final goodbye.